Hello everyone. Here in this demo video, we will walk through the page setup section where you can control exactly how your generated PDF or document will look before exporting it. We will cover paper size, orientation, margin, page numbering, and live preview behavior. Now let's start with the preview panel on the right side. This acts as a live miniature representation of your final document page. As we can setting on the left side, the preview updates instantly, allowing you to visually understand how the document layout will appear before generating the final PDF. The white area represents the physical paper, and the while highlighted inner section shows the printable content area inside your margin. Let's talk about the paper sizes now. They have given four sizes: letter A4, legal, and custom. Let's talk about the letter. Letter is 8.5 by the 11 inches. It's a standard format commonly used in the United States and the Canada. This is the ideal for invoice, quotation, agreement, and the most of standard office document. Let's talk about the A4. A4 is the international standard paper size is used across Europe, Asia, most global business environment. You will notice the preview becomes slightly taller and narrow compared to the letter. Let's Let's talk about the legal. Legal size keeps the small width as there, but adds additional vertical spaces. This works especially for the contract, legal agreement, documents containing large tables or containing some conditions. Let's talk about the first term. You can define any width height needed for the specialized use case, such as certificate, label, receipt, or custom print format. Let's talk about width and height. Below, you will see width and height field. This value automatically updates based on the selected paper size. When, when custom mode, these fields become editable, so you can define your own dimensions. Okay, let's talk about the orientation. Next is the orientation. Portrait is a default vertical layout used to use most of businesses document. Landscape rotates the page horizontally, and it is the ideal for the white table, financial reports, dashboard, and comparison sheets. Let's talk about the margin. Margin margin lets you configure the margins for your document. In all mode, one value is applied to all four sides. And this is the fastest way to create clean and balanced layouts. Then there is a vertical and horizontal layouts. In vertical and horizontal mode, separate the vertical horizontal margin. And third is a slide margin where you can control side according to you. Then there is a page numbering. When you enable it, it's allow you to show the page number on your document, and also you can configure the format of it. Let's see the name of each and every one. Let's say we select a letter, and we have this template. Let's select one record for you. We have one record, and we selected the letter, and also we have selected the portrait of it. You can see the document is generated. Now let's change it to the landscape. It will tilt to the horizontally. Let's see the preview. You can see it's become landscape now. Also, let's change the margin of it. Let's click button. You can see in the right section representations. Let's preview it. You can see margin applied on the all sides. Change the vertical margin with setup to, and you can see the same in the document. You can configure as you want. Then you can also disable the page numbering. If you disable it, you won't able to see the page number on the document. If you enable it, and choose your format. Let's say you want to configure it on a footer center and you want it with one of the M format. You can preview it. You'll see the same on the center of the footer. This is how the page setup works. Thank you.